Dirty lens.
I'm putting trim around the windows. So, notice the trim. I stained the wood a couple of days ago. And now I'm putting trim around the windows. And then I will put metal siding on the side of the house. It's looking good.
What about the middle here?
It's gonna get filled eventually. Do you mind handing out pieces of wood when I ask?
Mm-hmm.
Those pieces right there?
Mm-hmm.
Spiders everywhere, man. There's like 500 spiders here.
Break it up, you guys.
Yeah.
Break it up. Go find somewhere else to build a house,
That's
like
right.
on a tree or something.
I'm trying to fit the soffit and see if this will work.
I think the faucets are made for the inside, right?
Not faucets, soffit.
Soffit.
Yeah.
I thought the soffits were made for the insides.
No, soffit goes outside.
Hmm.
Do you see what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Understand what I'm up to?
I think I kind of do. What are you doing?
So a soffit is a way for anyone to, for a person to ventilate your roof on the house. So it's important to leave about a couple inches of air gap between the ceiling on the inside and the insulation. That way air will go in through this side of the house, travel above the insulation, and come outside on exit on the other side. So by installing this piece, you can see there are holes in there. You can even see it up close. There are a couple of holes in the soffit. They allow for airflow above the ceiling basically. So because you work inside and you do a lot of, we breathe and all that humidity and water vapor travels and heats up the air, right? And because it heats up the air, if it doesn't have a way to escape the house, it will create a lot of condensation. And what condensation does is, obviously, it starts to rot the roof. And so the life of the roof will really be enhanced if we allow for air to pass through. That's kind of what I'm up to today.
It's cold out here.
Yeah, it's starting to get cold, isn't it?
I never remember fall being this.
I know. I mean, it's only September.
It's the last day of September.
That's true.
The very last day, but still October. It's not usually this kind of temperature time of year.
Yeah. Hey, in 2 weeks it's our birthdays.
Yes, and we go to Bend, Oregon.
Well, I don't because I have to. I ended up booking a few events, so I'm working through it. But yeah, you do. 6.5. Okay, 6.5. And this here would be about 3 inches. So 3.5 inch. 6.5 inch. I got 6 inches here. Half inch. Okay, right there. That's 6 and a little over than that, like 6.25. What I want total is 6.5, so I need to add 1/4 inch more to it. Instead of 3.75, if I went 4 inches, that will work, presumably. This here is about 2.5. Note that, that's about 2.5. Okay, so I just need to go 4 inches. So this piece isn't necessarily a waste. I need to go one up higher.
So what's going on exactly?
So we're going to be cutting this sheet of plywood here. We're going to cut 4-inch strips. So I'm going to need you to stand here and hold the sheet of plywood. We'll do a little sanity check and measure the distance between the blade and the saw. Okay, so you want to make sure never to be close to the blades, okay?
Never.
So where you're standing, that's fine. I'll start pushing and I'll give you a signal to start holding the pieces and walking back with them. Okay? I better move this table out of the way. You gotta disconnect the saw so it doesn't start running by accident. Okay. Yep, perfect.